is a little showcase of us tuning a 120D BMW M Sport. Sweet little car. These are 177 brake or 170 brake standard, which we can see straight away 63 milligrams and producing 350 newton meters of torque. That's in around 3000 RPM. So he's popped it into our calculator. Our stock data is 63 milligrams 350. We enter in our desired torque and desired lambda, and if our lambda gets a little too rich, we calculate. You get a DPF warning light. You enter the cylinders, the capacity, spits out the exact fueling we need, how much boost, and the exact airflow. And then it tells you how much absolute boost it needs. And if you put in 1.21, we'll see them figures change. So we need, but just wanted to showcase how it increased the boost that we need for the same amount of fuel to produce 420 newton of torque. And then we're going to log again just to show how accurate this is. There's a lot of other calculations going on in the background. We are going to add an advanced button maybe off to the side here, where you can throw in the air intake temperature, because that is something that actually started to get a bit hot on this car. You can see up at 4,200 RPM is about 50 degrees. Now realistically, we rev them that high for a log purpose. You never really drive it consistently that high, but it's good just to see, let's say 3,500, 36 degrees is plenty good. But that would account for less dense air, and you need slightly more airflow. We are going to add the petrol section as well for load boost characteristics. So we have the load and the boost, the corresponding boost. So we have a VCDS log right here of a 1.4 TSI, and that's exactly what we put in. And let's say we desire 1.1 bar boost. We get 194% load. Let's say you want 1900, 0.9 bar, and it creates the corresponding load. Using linear regression, there's quadratic regression, there's exponential regression, and there's different interpolations to accurately create the load for the desired boost. We're also going to add in engine codes. So if you put in too much boost for a certain engine code, we will have basically a database of what turbo is in what car, and we'll know that what boost level it will overspeed the turbo. So this will be the calculator to go to if you're tuning a car, you're unsure of what levels it's good for. We're also going to add in lambda and stuff like that, suggested lambda for certain boost levels. So we're soon going to... Okay, and we've now added the linear, or not the linear, just the graphing of the data. Data. As you can see, when you hover over it, you can see your boost point and the load. And you can see bang, 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 bang. So very linear, which is why it chose linear regression. And you can see we're asking for 0.9 bar. And you can see that is in line with the data. Now you can obviously pinpoint, you say, 170 will create in around this. You might add more grid lines just so people can kind of look at this more. But very powerful data processing going on in the background. And as I said, I'm going to add engine code, and that will have turbo data, overspeed data, and you can't go wrong. You can't go wrong using this calculator. And let me know, anyone that's tuning or doing people that are tuners, let me know, and I can add in